This car going the speed of 120, and suddenly these cars, bikes are coming and crossing over. Suppose it hits, whose fault is it? You can see over here, these boards of over here are being removed, and this has been made a way to people to cross over here, as you can see. See this. And there a car is coming from this side, and the car is going from that side. See, as you can see here, this is a wrong way, and this is a rent-a-cab taxi going over here. See here. So this is very wrong over here. This is a joint at Parvarim over here, and as you can see, people are going in the speed more than 100. Now you can see this car, how speed is going. All the cars are going in mild speed of 120 to around 100, and suddenly there are cars coming from here, which is a no entry, and these cars are crossing. So across, suppose if a car behind hits this car, then it's whose fault? As you can see, there is a truck now. And here